Okay, my friend. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my friend. Today we will presentation our group project. Is this about GiveMin Soy Store database, and the member of group project is me, Givari Nutalik, and then is Yasmin Ananta Furqan. So the first material will explained by Yasmin. So Yasmin, time is yours.
Okay, I will explain about database project. What is database? Database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system. About project, in this database project, we select the transaction that occur at the source store. At this GiveMin source store, we have a data that will be explained in several tables, forms, query, and report index, such as consumer tables, product tables, transaction tables, expense table, revenue tables, and income statement tables. And why we choose Source Shop for database project? Because as we know, Source Shop business don't only sell one type of item, they also sell sandals, slipper, and another. Also come from various brands. Therefore, to make it easier to check inventory, it can be checked using a database because it's also in the database. That's why we can see what transaction were made, like a brand type and amount, so that we can immediately find out the amount of or merchandise inventory. Also, the Source Shop business is a business that many people do both online and offline. We hope that with our project, this can provide an innovation or a way to make it easier for Source Shop entrepreneurs to run their business. And why database is important for GiveMin to store? Because in managing transaction management at this store, we need a database to be able to manage all information from transactions that occur in our store so that it can be used as information in sales analysis. This database is also useful as an evaluation material for our store in knowing the performance of our store. In the About Us, in this business, we sell a ready-made product which come from various brands of shoes or sneakers, sandals, and slippers. And the next material will be explained by Givari.
Okay, thank you, Yasmin. Okay, I will continue the explanation. The material about product brand. So this product we sell in our soy shop. The first is shoes or sneakers. Like the brand is Converse, Vans, Nike, and then is sandal. The brand is Zara, Stradivarius, Crutch, and others. And then is slippers. The brand is Clips Gold, Fradio, and UGG. So right now I will tell you about how the transaction mechanism. The first is also this transaction mechanism is normally like soy shop in mall, in Transmart, and Ramayana. So the first is the consumer will first choose the product he want to buy, then consumer will pay to the cashier, and then cashier will check the payment at the same time will record or enter the transaction into the form in Microsoft Access that has been provided previously. This is the different shop use database or not. And then is transaction that occur. In this soy shop, business will incur some kind of operational cost and other cost is in running this business, such as paying for cleaning, security, electricity, miscellaneous, employee salaries, and others. where this transaction will also be recorded in the Microsoft Excel form that has been previously provided by the store manager. So we not just record cash in, but also we record cash out. And then is about data in the database we use. The first is customer table. It is expected to minimize fraud that occurs. This record also function if there is an error in the transaction. The store can directly meet customer. For example, if the customer want to do return, so we can check the customer data in our database, so we can know the product or the product is really buy from our shop or no. The next is product table to record the product in the store. So if customer asks for a product, the store can directly check it in Microsoft Access without the need to check it one by one. The next is transaction table to record all store sales transactions so that later the store can find out the sales revenue and also the remaining product. And then is expense table to record all costs that comes out of the store, such as cleaning costs, security, and others. And then is revenue table to record the origin and total income of stores both inside and outside the business. And the last is income statement table, where from this table we can find out the financial position of the business, whether it is experiencing a profit or loss, with the formula income equal revenue minus expense. Masih ada benefit. Satu slide lagi, Yasmin. Okay, and then I will tell you about benefit of database in this business. The first is facilitate data grouping. Database make the job of grouping data easier. Data and information can be collected by category so that it is easily understood by people who use it. And then is prevent duplicate data. Database make data grouping more effective, prevent duplicate data, and avoid inconsistent data. Database can also reduce the possibility of duplicate or repeated data in different files. The next is facilitate company data management. With a database, the process of storing, accessing, updating, and deleting data can be done easily. In addition, the data in the database is not easily changed by everyone, even though the data is used by various parties, because it can be controlled from a central server only. And then is maintain data quality. The quality of the data stored in the database is more maintained, so that the result of the data accessed are the same as those that are inputted into it. The database allows the integrity of information to be maintained because the database will ensure that the data is accurate, easily accessibly, consistently, and high quality. And then is improve application performance. Using the company database, the performance of the application used by the company can be more controlled and effective. In the end, the application is able to help increase company profit. A well-created and management database can also help companies create new application without changing the structure of an existing database. And the next is keeping data confidential. The database ensures the security of company data and information by inserting and access code and certain data that it is not open to all. Enterprise data that are managed with database management system are usually equipped with user management, which allow the creation of different access right from one user to another. And the last is easy data sharing. The existence of a database allows the sharing of data or information with other user. Database can be used simultaneously in a company. For example, a chat simultaneously between admin, marketing, and management. At the same time, they need a database of software data, but do not have to create their own database. So with the existence of a database, the running of a business will be easier and more effective, especially since today work demand that we innovate and apply technology in our business so that businesses can develop quickly. So, my friend, we will next our explanation in Microsoft Access. And this will explain by Yasmin. So Yasmin, time is yours.
Okay, I will explain about a customer table. In the database, we have a tables from a customer, expense, income, product, revenue, and transaction. First is the table, customer table. In the customer table, we have a field customer name, address, and gender. In the customer table, we have to name from customer, that's buy product in the store, and the address from customer and the gender. And the next is expense table. In the expense table, we have a description field amounts expense and total expense. And this is a total all expense. And the income table. Income table is the relation is the total revenue, total expense, and total income. Total income is revenue, main expense. And the product table, we have many products we have to in the store, like a Nike, Vans, Converse, Crocs, VDJ, and many others. And we have a price from a product we can sell. And the next is the revenue table. In this revenue, we have a field description, amount revenue, and the total revenue. We have interest revenue, sales revenue, and the other revenue. This is total all the revenue. And the last is transaction table. In the transaction table, we have a field, customer name, product code, transaction, unit price, quantity, and total pay. And the next is a query. We make query from a relationship. In the query income is the relationship from table revenue and table expense. And this and the make total revenue and total expense and total income. Total income is a total revenue mean a total expense and have a this. And the next is query transaction. In the query transaction, is a relationship from customer tables, product tables, and table transaction. And in the query transaction have a fields, customer name, product code, transaction date, unit price, quantity, and total pay. Total pay is a unit price kali quantity. And the next will be explained by Gipari.
Okay, thank you, Yasmin. So, my friend, I will explain about form and reports. The first is form. So, form in database object that can be used to create user interface for database application. Form that connect directly to a data source such as table or query and can and can be used to enter, create, or display data from that data source. Providing a form that contains table field will make it easier for this user to use the database. You can also add comment button and other features to form to automate frequently performed action. So we can fill a form and this will directly record in table. So the field in the form same with table. But if we want to fill data, so we will easier to fill data in form. And the form is used in this database is from customer. Same with the table, we fill some data, and then is from expense, from income, from product, from query income, from query transaction, from revenue, and from transaction. And the next is report. Report is a database object to present the process data into an accessible and ready to print information. So all table can we report in this tool database. So in the report we can present we can print all transaction or our database in this. So the data in report same with the data in table. So ma'am and friend, maybe that's all from our presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy with this video, and I'm sorry if we have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.